Snap. The company Mocha-Cam, based in Los Angeles, has created this small 4K camera. Due to the fact that Snap is equipped with a magnetic fastening system, the gadget easily attaches to your clothes, mobile devices, watch, and any other objects. The quality optics provide a 180-degree view, and besides, the camera module is located on an inclined panel, which in turn allows you to change the shooting angle. This device can record video in 1080p at a speed of 60 frames per second, or 720p in slow motion. The battery provides the ability to record up to 1.5 hours. Today, this 4K camera can be purchased for $89.
Our world has an ever-increasing thirst for energy. Our machines, vehicles, and factories all demand it. Yet most of the energy we use is wasted. Over 30 trillion watt-hours of heat per year are wasted by power plants alone, enough to power the entire world. And our environment is part of the collateral damage. Over 15 billion batteries are thrown away in landfills every year. At Matrix, we wanted to create technology that makes the way we use energy more efficient and more intimate. We wanted to start with a problem everyone has experienced firsthand, feeling frustrated when your electronic device runs out of power when you need it the most. There hasn't been any innovation to solve this problem, and that got us excited to solve it using our thermoelectric technology. After 5 years and several prototypes, we're introducing our first product, the Matrix PowerWatch. It's a smartwatch that's powered by you. It works by converting your own body heat to electric power. And the best part is, you never have to charge it. The watch comes alive because it's powered by you. The human body at rest emits 100 watts as heat, similar to that of an incandescent light bulb. When exercising, that number jumps to 1 kilowatt, similar to the average power we use in a home. What's so cool about this watch is that as you exercise and your skin gets warmer, the PowerWatch generates more power. It's got a unique power meter that shows how much electricity your body has generated right on the face of the watch.
We can do some exciting things with this technology, like accurately measure the amount of calories you burn. Our thermoelectric technology measures the amount of heat you've generated from the calories you've consumed. It's also packed with all the features you'd expect in a smartwatch. It has sensors to track both activity and sleep quality. We're designing changeable watch faces to suit your mood. We've also built micro applications so you can do more than just tell the time. And of course, it syncs with your phone and your account in the cloud. Are you into running, mountaineering, trailblazing? It works even better when you're out and about, especially in cold weather. Since you never have to charge it or replace the batteries, it's very well sealed and water resistant to 50 meters. And if you ever take it off, it'll go to sleep and store all your data. When you put it back on, it comes back to life.
We've done most of the hard work. We have a few dozen prototypes and a ton of data, so we know it works. The PowerWatch has been vetted and certified by Aero Electronics. We've brought on Andrea Ponti, a world-class smartwatch designer. Our engineering and manufacturing is headed up by Larry Tsai in Hong Kong, who has helped numerous wearable companies like Fitbit ship millions of units. And to ensure it all comes together, we've brought on Bal Singh as our manufacturing director. He has over 20 years of manufacturing experience bringing products to market. Now we're ready to go to market, and we're so close to the finish line. Your funds will go towards the final production tooling to manufacture the PowerWatch. Join our campaign today so that we can get this watch into your hands. We'd be thrilled to have you on this journey so that we can harness the world's wasted heat.
Introducing NeoFit Roller, the world's most compact, convenient, and travel-friendly foam roller. NeoFit Roller collapses to just 4 inches, expands to 3 times its size to 12 inches, and goes anywhere you do. We live in an on-the-go world where travel is a part of daily life, where our bodies are under constant physical strain, leaving you tight, sore, and stressed. And when it comes to looking after your body, few things are as powerful as foam rolling. But anyone with a bulky foam roller knows that they're almost impossible to travel with, even only a short distance. That's why we created NeoFit Roller. Now you can experience deep tissue massage and myofascial release anywhere, anytime. Whether it's a flight across the country for business, a long-haul vacation, a trip across town to play sport, the ultra-portable NeoFit Roller goes with you everywhere.
Swiftpoint GT. Swiftpoint has released a gadget that replaces the traditional mouse and offers additional functionality. According to the developers, the Swiftpoint GT combines touchscreen-like gestures with the accuracy and convenience of a computer mouse. The gadget is compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, as well as Mac OS X and Android. The Swiftpoint GT weighs only 24 grams. The device connects via Bluetooth or through a USB receiver. This gadget can run on a built-in battery for 2 weeks, and it takes an hour to recharge through the USB port. To date, the Swiftpoint GT costs about $150.